In fact, AI is estimated to add almost $16 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Not science fiction. It is your real shot at leveling up your income. Stick around because today, I will uncover 7 amazing AI features that could boost your income right now. Welcome to Mr. AI Boombastic. If you're tired of feeling stuck and want to win big in today's digital economy, understanding how AI works isn't just smart, it's essential. But what exactly should you know, and which features can actually supercharge your earnings? Let's get real. Finding ways to increase your income is like running on a treadmill, right? Conventional side hustles, second jobs, or basic stock trading can be exhausting, risky, and pretty slow to pay off. Perhaps you are overwhelmed by too many manual tasks, losing hours to repetitive work, or simply can't scale up your earnings without burning out. What makes it worse? These old-school methods often aren't scalable, and once things finally kick off, managing that new success can become a full-time headache. If you have ever tried to juggle invoices, chase down clients, or find which investments are worth your time, you know the struggle is real. Here is the twist. AI is no longer just for tech giants. AI is now powering side hustles, transforming online businesses, and making smart investing accessible for all. Check out these next-level features that include predictive analytics. Imagine knowing what's about to get hot before everyone else does. AI picks up on trends in real time so you can invest smarter or sell the right thing at the right moment. Automation. Hate repetitive work? Let the bots take care of your bookkeeping, emails, or scheduling social media while you focus on stuff that brings value. Personalized marketing. AI identifies exactly who's ready to buy from you and crafts your message for maximum conversion. Smart content creation. Save time creating. Use AI to draft emails in seconds, write a blog post, or design social ads. Workflow automation. Link applications and information wherever you need it automatically. No coding required. Customer insights. Unlock deep learning to identify what your clients really want, so you're always ahead in the business trends. Passive income tactics. Automate drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or digital launches with AI and make earn while you sleep real. All these innovations can help you break free from old income caps. Meet Sarah, a freelance writer who felt maxed out until AI changed the game. She started using AI-powered predictive analytics to spot trending topics and automated her outreach. By integrating simple AI tools into her workflow, her writing productivity jumped 50%, her income was increased by 30%. She spent less time hustling and more time building. Sarah is not a tech wizard. She's just using the right tools, and so can you. So what's stopping you from getting similar results? Most people don't know where to start. Here's your quick launch plan. Find your biggest time wasters and see if there's an AI tool for it. Explore Zapier, ChatGPT, HubSpot, or Jasper to automate and optimize your solutions. Invest time in learning. Most tools have either free trials or beginners tutorials. Start small, track your wins, then scale your efforts. By embracing AI-powered features like automation, predictive analytics, and smart marketing, you unlock new income streams and more freedom. Be it building a side hustle, running your online business, or looking to free up more hours, AI is the go-to tool in leveling up your earnings and boosting your financial growth. Want your income to grow faster, work smarter, and finally get ahead? Tell me in the comments, which AI feature are you most excited to try? Hit subscribe and check out our upcoming video for step-by-step demos of the exact tools we mentioned today. Start working with AI and let's build wealth together.